Ready to bring your characters to life and make them talk? First, open Adobe Animate and import or create your character. My character is a simple person. We'll focus on the mouth today, so make sure your character has a distinct mouth shape. Now, let's move to the timeline. Focus on your timeline. Create separate layers for each part of your character, then add a new layer specifically for the mouth shapes for your video. Be sure your character is the main focus on the screen. Next, to create mouth shapes, we will make our vowels. Draw common mouth shapes using the tools, or import them if they're pre-made. Label each mouth shape with the corresponding vowel sound. This will help you when your character starts speaking. On the mouth layer, for each sound, create a keyframe. Wing each keyframe, insert a mouth shape representing that sound. For example, in the first keyframe, the character should be silent, and the next few keyframes can make the sound off. For lip sync, plan the dialogue break. Your character's script match the shape to the sound. Practice. You can also use the lip sync feature in Animate. Finally, preview your animation. Check if the mouth movement aligns with the sounds. Adjust the timing and refine the mouth shapes for more natural-looking speech. And there you have it, a talking character created in Adobe Animate.